Hi, so recently I purchased this printer for personal use, Canon G3000, which has very good ratings and reviews. Although everything went great until I wanted to connect this printer to my home Wi-Fi so that I can print from any device wirelessly. Hustle started when I realized that there is no straightforward way to connect it to home Wi-Fi. Then I dig out a little bit on internet and finally found the easiest way to set it up. So stay with me and follow my instructions till last. Turn on printer and wait for it to set up its own. In order to make your printer visible on Wi-Fi network, press the Wi-Fi button until power lights starts to blink. Then press color copy button and press the Wi-Fi button again. Now you should see the Wi-Fi light starts blinking. Now let's come to your computer or laptop. Here we will download and install Canon printer drivers from their official website. Go to your browser and search for Canon G3000 printer driver. Click on the first website as you can see here. Simply download the driver from the given link. Now open the setup and start the installation. Follow the instructions given in the setup. At some point, setup will try to detect your printer on network. At this point, make sure that your computer is also connected to the same Wi-Fi network. This can take few minutes. Now you should be able to see your printer like this. Press next and you are almost done. Complete the next steps and download the given programs as listed, or you can simply skip those. You can check if the printer is connected and working successfully by printing the test page. Click on execute to print the test page while you are in setup. So here as you can see, for me, test page is being printed successfully. Now you should be able to print from any device which is connected to the same Wi-Fi network. If you want to print from mobile, then there is an app which can allow you to print directly. Let me know in the comments if you would like me to show how to print from mobile for this particular model. And if you have made this far, help me to grow on YouTube by subscribing to my channel. Check out my other playlist for more interesting content like this. See you next time. Till then, take care. Bye bye.